Hi, my name is Carlos. This is Bossa Jazz channel. I'm going to teach you guys how to play Bossa Nova the right way. Just because I see a lot of teachers, sometimes it's hard to teach the right way. I'm gonna try to talk about Bossa Nova, how start this wonderful music style from Brazil. By the way, I'm from Brazil. I was born in Santos, São Paulo, but I'm living in Germany. I actually love playing jazz. But when I just arrived here in Germany, it was amazing how the people want I play Bossa Nova, of course. All the world love Bossa Nova. The Bossa Nova is the same pattern of the samba. The thumb, we try to emulate the surdo. I'm trying to find the image. If I'm in A minor, those three fingers, we try to emulate the tambourine. Is this instrument here? I'm trying to show. So let's start with the tambourine. Surdo. Now I'm gonna try to change the harmony. So this will be the first class about Bossa Nova. Of course, I have much more.